An A safety expert just revealed which 5 jobs will actually survive the A revolution by 2030. Most careers you know won't make the cut. Here's what will. Dr. Roman Yampolskiy, a leading A safety researcher, warns that artificial intelligence will transform the job market dramatically by 2030. Most traditional careers face automation risks, but some jobs have unique human qualities A can't replicate. Understanding which ones survive helps you future-proof your career today. Jobs requiring emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and creative problem-solving will thrive. Think safety researchers, therapists, artists, philosophers, and strategic decision-makers in complex scenarios. These roles need human intuition, empathy, and genuine understanding things I struggles with. Yampolskiy emphasizes that humans as A handles routine tasks, society needs guardians of ethics and innovation. Therapists provide genuine human connection. Safety experts ensure AI doesn't harm us. Creative professionals push boundaries. These aren't just jobs. They're essential for human flourishing in an AI-driven world. Adaptability and learning matter more than job titles. Start developing irreplaceable skills now. Emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creativity. Learn about AI to work alongside it, not against it. Consider careers combining human judgment with technology. The future isn't jobless, it's different. Prepare by becoming more human, not more robotic. Want to understand OR's future better? Subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly improvement. Which job do you think will survive automation? Which job to comment? Which job do you think will survive